Hey gamers, it's Mela and welcome to Mela Mashishi channel gaming. If you're new here, welcome. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Don't mind me why my voice is more deeper, cause I like it when it's deeper. Yeah, doesn't matter how I speak. So it's good. We'll be back. It's Geometry Dash. Yeah, we're back at this game. So it's been a while since we never played this game. So we wanna know when did we last play the game. Yeah, Geometry is one of my favorite games. I love Geometry Dash. Sometimes I don't like some other levels. Today I wanna decorate my Geometry Dash avatar. So right now maybe let's play. Okay. So once we go all the way there, all the way, we skipped it. Yeah, we're gonna do. We're gonna do the tower. So when did we last left? Yesterday. So we last left from here. Yeah. This is when we last left. So let's clear the road. Okay. So I must jump like that. Okay. Oka. 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 Oh, this is for girls. And where does Alabu from? Maybe she got it from Panda. Okay. Okay. This is Baba. I'm gonna go make a video right here. Time. Yo, but soon. Given it. Oh, and now the game is starting. That's why, guys, this phone kept on glitching. Great. Let's wait for the game to load. Yeah, it's loading now. I hope no one's coming to my room. Okay, it's this one. So we will just pause. Let's just not hit box. Let's just cancel everything. No. No. I don't know. Last time. See. This great. Don't show me and do not please jump. Yes. Can this thing stop showing? Yes, again. Oh, why is it like basically ads. Oh, great. So it's okay. Wee! Oh no! Oh great! You got to be kidding me! I just jumped there. There we go. Finally, finally, bro. I almost screamed at the top of my. Why would I help you? You don't. Hey, you little thingy. Whatever. I don't know what your name. Hey, don't tell me swear words, you little thingy. Like, oh my god. Shh. I'm saying gosh, guys, not god. This is great. I don't know where to place it, so let's place it somewhere there. This is like Alvin and the Chipmunks. Other people love watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. If you guys want me to tell me about my favorite show, let me know in the comments down below. I cannot go, so this time I have to beat the game from other YouTubers. Okay. Oh great, oh great, oh great, oh great, oh great, oh great. Okay. Okay, so that hey guys, that's actually a ID, so oh great. Stop showing me this old thing. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Okay. Okay, let's get to drink beat. Because it's too impossible. Let's see. That time we haven't actually beat. So let's do jumper. Jumper will be more easier. Ah, great. Just train me this. Drop top! Okay, let's go. Let's do auto. Let's do this. Yeah, this will be fine. Okay, there we go. No, this is fine. Okay. Okay. Wait, I want to do practice mode real quick to see what's the problem. Oh, great. You are not allowed to see this cause it's boys only. Girls, if you guys, girls, please don't watch it because this is for boys. If you guys want me to play girl games, let me know in the comments down below. The girls, they have to comment down below what is that. Tell me what's your favorite game, girls, so I can play it. How is this impossible? Guys, my channel allows boys and girls. But the girls, they can watch my channel, but not a lot. I make girl videos for them so that they can be a bit happy. Alright guys, okay, so this is an impossible game, so like this game as the impossible game, the world's impossible game. So guys, So guys, what did you learn from this? Let me know in the comments down below. So don't mind me why I make videos every day. Duh. But I don't see myself. Okay guys, that's it. So let's play more. Fix the system of guys. Finally, let's go to zero and this video. So we're back on track. We have 9 more ads. Guys, too glitchy. The sound of it's so glitchy. This it's doing it itself. Okay, now it's normal. This. Oh, great. One more time. Okay. So we have to touch these spikes. Okay, guys. Let again. Okay, guys. That's it, guys. We'll do it some other time, unfortunately. Well, well, if you guys wanna see part 6, let me know in the comments down below.